What's up? Today it's time to go a little bit deeper into components. So let's get developing. Before we jump into the code, if you're new here, my name is Jason, and I make videos to increase your web development skill level. So if that's your goal, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click that notification bell so you'll always be notified of future videos. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about components and props using Vue JS. So, sometimes you just want a single source of truth and pass your state into your components from your main or parent component. And with using props, that's the method that you can use to make sure that happens. And if you've ever used React, props may sound very familiar. So back inside your favorite IDE of choice, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Go to the folder in which you're gonna be working with today, and mine is just named Vue Components Props. And inside my folder, all I have is index.html file and a folder for my JavaScript that's gonna hold my app.js file. And don't forget that we're gonna be needing the script from Vue JS to load in Vue. So now inside my HTML file, I just have the basic skeleton of an HTML document. I have a header tag here with the H1 with some Vue components props, and my div with the ID of app, and inside the JavaScript file is currently blank. So let's go ahead and get Vue set up. So I'm say const app equals new Vue. Pass in my object, and with my L property, I'm gonna attach to the ID of app, and then I'm gonna create a data. And then for now, I'm just gonna pass in a message. Hello world. So we're gonna save this. And then go back to our index.html file. And inside here, we're just going to create an H2 where we're going to print out our message. Save that. Okay, I'm going to use the integrated terminal that comes with Visual Studio Code. And I'm going to say sudo live server. That's going to open up browser for me. Okay, and we've all seen this before. We want to go ahead and see how using props look like. So let's go back to the app.js file and create a component. Vue.component, and then we're gonna call it my message. Oops. And then we need to pass in an object. And inside this object for now, we're just gonna write a template. And give it a div with h2. And then just say hello for now. Okay, let's save this. And now if we go back to the index.html file, we can insert that component inside our file here. So my message is what we called it. And save this. We see hello. So now we want to pass the message into here instead of just outputting it straight into our index.html file. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take this h2 out, and then I'm going to put a input field in here. And this input field is going to be bound to our message variable that we have inside of our main component. So v model equals message. So we're going to save this. And if you just want to see what it's going to output, we can just type in message here, save it, and we can see that every time we change something in the text field, it's going to bind automatically to our message variable that we have set in the main component. Okay, so now we got that set up. We can pass the message into our child component by simply passing in a variable onto the component. So we're going to bind, we're going to call it message, and that's going to equal the message. So we're going to save that. So now we got to tell it what that message is. So inside of our app.js file, inside of our component area, we're going to pass in the props property. Inside this props, we're going to say message, because that's the property we're binding to. Actually, it's going to be an array, and we're going to say message. Alright, so we save this. Now we gotta use that message inside our template. So let's save that. And there you go. You see we got hello world in there. But we don't want hello world, because we already have hello. So let's just type world. And now you see how we use props in the Vue component. You can also set what type of property your props variable is. So instead of passing in an array like this, you can make it. You can pass in an object and put your property inside it. Then separate by a colon. You can type in the type of property, property in which this is, whether it's a string, variable, or a function. So this one is a string. So if we save this, everything should work just as before. But now you have to pass in a string. If you pass in anything other than a string, it will throw an error. So there you have it. That's props in a nutshell. Alright, now that we're a little bit more familiar with props in Vue JS, in our next video we're going to talk about custom components and slots in Vue JS as well. And so now if you haven't done so by now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell right beside it, and you'll never miss out on another video that I come out with. And if you got any kind of value out of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like the video and what I can improve on. So until next time, keep developing.